barbecue chicken soaked in a rich savory barbecue sauce with cheddar cheese inside. Some of them have pickles. These come together in about 1 hour, and as you see, they are perfectly cooked. They are absolutely delicious. You can swap out the fillings. Just make sure you use biscuit dough, and it'll be a very easy meal. So if you want to see how to make these, keep watching. Okay, let me show you the ingredients for barbecue chicken bombs. Now I'm going to be using grand biscuits. There's 8 in a roll. I have 2 rolls. I have some little bitty dill pickles that I sliced up. You'll need some butter to brush across the top with some Parmesan cheese, and parsley is optional. And then I have some non-stick cooking spray on a sheet of foil. That's what I'm going to prepare them on. But I'm going to bake them on a baking sheet with parchment paper. And we're using some homemade barbecue sauce. Use whatever kind of barbecue sauce you like. And I have some cheddar cheese cubes that are pre-packaged. And I have some white meat chicken. Use whatever kind of chicken you like. Welcome to my channel. Quick, fast, easy meals. I got the oven set at 375 degrees. These take about 15 minutes minus assembly. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've got my chicken. I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to this. And mix it up. You can make it as saucy as you like. I want them pretty saucy. And like I said, make sure you really like the barbecue sauce, because this is where the flavor comes in. And these cook just as long as it takes to cook biscuits in the oven, about 15 to 18 minutes. And you can use white meat, dark meat, whatever you like. This is all white meat, and you see it's shredded pretty fine because that's how I like it. Now I'm going to take my foil and take the biscuits. I'm just going to use a glass and kind of flatten these out. Then I'm going to turn them over and flatten them on this side. This way it won't stick to the glass. Okay, now you want to add a knob of cheese to each one. And put your mixture of meat inside. Some of these I'm going to add pickles to, some I'm not. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. If you guys give this recipe a try, please comment down below and tell me how you changed it up. You can definitely use hamburger meat, season with taco seasoning, or any kind of seasoning you like. I'm just doing barbecue chicken bombs made with biscuits. Quick, fast, easy meal. Kids will like it really quick. This may have too much meat in here, but we're going to try and make it work. I'm going to add a couple pickles to a couple of these. I just want to pick them up. Carefully seal the edges, pinch it together. Okay, this is way too much meat. I'm going to remove some of the meat from these. Okay, I've taken a lot of the meat. You only need about a tablespoon of meat per biscuit, and they'll seal much easier. I was trying to make them really hearty, but you just make more of them. Okay, you want to put them on the baking sheet seam side down. I'll show you in a minute. Make sure they're thoroughly pinched. And this is how they look on the baking tray. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the rest of them done and show you how to finish this off. Okay, I've microwaved some butter. You just wanna go over the top of each one with some butter. That'll make them brown up really nice. You know I got a great joke for you guys. And you know, always, you've already seen the inspirational quote. I try and give you guys something to keep you on your grind, make you laugh. I just wanna go over these with butter, so they'll brown up nicely. You can use the egg wash if you like. Then you want to top them with some Parmesan cheese or sesame seeds. Light dusting Parmesan, or you can use garlic butter and a little bit of parsley. My husband doesn't like parsley, so I'm not going to put parsley on all of them. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven 375 degrees for 12 to 18 minutes. There you have it, barbecue cheddar bombs. Inside, some of them are pickles, but all of them have cheddar cheese, barbecue chicken, and they're baked to a delicious crust. And these are using biscuits. And I've topped them off again with butter, and they're topped with Parmesan cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Now I'm going to tell you guys my joke. The husband and wife had a fight. The wife called her mom. He fought with me again. I'm coming to stay with you. The mom replied, no dear, he must pay for his mistake. I'm coming to stay with you. That's kind of funny. A lot of people don't get along with their mother-in-laws. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Swap out the filling. You can use ground chicken, ground beef, season it with taco meat, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, anything you like. We're gonna serve ours on the side with more barbecue sauce for dipping. And I think it makes a great snack, maybe a great appetizer at a party, or great for kids' lunch. You can put them in foil and they microwave perfectly. And like I said, thank you guys for watching. God bless, and I hope to see you on the next one. And this is a super delicious, quick and easy meal. Have a good evening.